Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. So I've got my health hat back on and Miss Callie is gonna have her hat back on as much as a cat will wear a hat. But today I am back because I am going to announce the winner of the holiday gift exchange that I'm doing with all those lovely YouTube ladies. So I'm really excited. Let me pull everything up and we're gonna pick a winner. Now remember, all the winners do have to be in the United States and they do have to be publicly subscribed to all the channels. So I'll pick the winner, I'll make sure all that stuff is right, and I'll tell you who it is. So yay, excited to see who's gonna win. I'll see y'all back in a second. All right, y'all, here we go. Miss Callie had ditched me because she wanted to lay on the bed. Gotta stick my jingle hat on. Well, it doesn't jingle, but it's cute. And I have pulled up my laptop. Oh my goodness, y'all. So here it is. This is the YouTube random comment picker. I put my URL in. I filtered out duplicate comments. I filtered out the comments so it will pick everybody who said my special word, which was snow. Now I'm gonna scroll down here and get my YouTube comments. I had 78 unique comments. Y'all, my first winner wasn't publicly subscribed to everybody. Actually was missing several. Ooh, bad hair day. So I'm gonna pick another winner. So here we go. 78 unique comments. Man, my laptop is dirty. All right, here we go. We're gonna start the raffle again. Oh, Sally! Sally, you won! Oh my goodness. Sally, okay. Yay for Sally! And I'm gonna check and make sure she's won. Moving on. All right, y'all, I'm so excited. Sally is publicly subscribed to everybody. I do believe she lives here in the US. I forgot to read you what she said. She said, this has been a fun Christmas collab to watch, even if there isn't any snow on the ground. So she definitely said my word. Y'all, I really appreciate everybody who participated, everybody who watched. Thank you so very much. Y'all, Sally, let's get in touch. You can email me at unboxingdiscoverybygg@gmail.com or at takenheart0819@comcast.net. Either way, we'll get together. I'll get your address and I'll send you out some goodies. I'm so excited for you. I love giveaways. I really hope everybody has a very Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get to spend that time with friends and family and just remember the meaning of your holidays. Y'all, happy holidays. Have a wonderful day and God bless.